What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Crypto Warriors, it's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. Today is Tuesday, February 11th, 2020. Bitcoin is going to change the world from a money transactional standpoint, not just for Africa, but for everywhere. This is Akon, recorder, recorded artist and producer. All right, this dude is building his own blockchain city in Senegal. All right, go look that up. Let's get into it. So almost $392 million in Bitcoin moved between unknown wallets and Coinbase. So we have a whale alert, a Twitter bot that alerted us, the Bitcoin space, the crypto space, that 12,000 Bitcoin was transferred from unknown wallet. Actually, it was more than that because there it is. It was almost 40,000 Bitcoin moved. And I don't know if that had anything to do with the price fluctuation going on right now. I kind of doubt it, but it's good to know that we can see what's happening on the blockchain, and we have bots out there watching what's taking place and tweeting it out to the world. Next, so Bitcoin price has set 8.2K floor, 100K coming before 2022. So this is coming from Plan B. He's the one that came up with the stock to flow chart and shows that Bitcoin, is on track to reaching that 100K per Bitcoin value within the next 2 years. So start stacking those sats if you aren't already doing so. All right, so stock to flow. This is around the date that Bitcoin's block reward halving, which would kick off the bull run, sending the cryptocurrency to 100K before December 2021. So he's, this is Plan B. Like I said, he's the one that came up with that stock to flow chart. And what stock to flow is basically, it's the amount of Bitcoin that's already out versus the amount that's set to come out. So the inflation, is going to be cut in half by the halving, and that will reduce the amount of Bitcoin set to come out moving forward. And this is the stock to flow chart here. I suggest you give it a look on Twitter and go, if you're not already following him on Twitter at 100 trillion USD. All right. So yeah, he's saying that the bottom is in. The bottom is the bottom is set at 8.2K, and he's not the only one saying that. Also, Peter Brandt said that as well, that it's not going to go lower than like 8K. All right, so all your hopes of it dropping lower to that 3K or to that magical 1K mark isn't going to happen. It's already priced in. No, I shouldn't say it's already priced in, but I mean the bottom is already, the days of the 3K Bitcoin has already passed. If you didn't stack a significant amount of sats during that bear market, then that's on you, man. All right. Bitcoin halving impact can be lagged. Stock to flow uses two indicators to chart Bitcoin's price trajectory: the number of Bitcoins already available versus the number of new Bitcoins added to circulation. Historically highly accurate, the model puts Bitcoin on par with gold in terms of its status as hard money with a supply that is virtually impossible to manipulate, unlike fiat currency. So with fiat currency, but the governments of the world, the central banks of the world, they could print as much money as they feel at the flip of a switch. With Bitcoin, it is hard money, meaning that it can't be manipulated. It can't be manipulated in the sense of, like, say, gold. Like with gold, it can't be counterfeited. All right, if you break gold down to its bare bones atom, you're going to get a gold atom. All right, it's it's a natural element. with the sense of Bitcoin, you can't counterfeit it. All right. You could hard fork it, and you could have, like, the Bitcoin Cash of the world, the Bitcoin SVs of the world, Bitcoin Gold. You could hard fork it, okay, but you can't make any more of the original protocol, is what I'm saying. All right. So that's what, in my eyes, gives it the quality of hard money. All right. Just like gold, you can't counterfeit it, you can't make it. Same thing with Bitcoin. Next, we have coming out of CoinDesk, and this has to do with the coronavirus. All right, Chinese insurers tap blockchain to speed up coronavirus payouts. So blockchain technology is reportedly helping to streamline medical paperwork processing for insurance service providers as global coronavirus containment efforts continue. So I'm just going to read pretty much that stuff I highlighted here. All right, that it's the trust-free nature. And this is coming from an Ant Financial spokesman in Beijing told the South China Morning Post that due to blockchain's trust-free nature, that they're able to process claims and conduct payout at a much faster rate than with traditional methods. People can't fake their claims, okay? Because everything is being seen on a blockchain. All right, and it says it right here. The move increases transparency in a claimant's process once their documentation has been submitted, as all parties involved can view the entire process on chain within 24 hours of a patient visiting a clinic or hospital. So there you have it. Once they're in the system at the hospital, all right, and the doctors do their thing and put their information in the system, the insurance companies could see it. The patients themselves could see it and see that the information is there, and the claimant process is easy. No need for that middleman. The process is just seamless, and they get the dough that they need. It's trust free. You don't need that. There's no one could fake it, right? Because I could say, well, I had the coronavirus, put a claim in, and get paid or whatever the case is. Which in turn increases insurance premiums. On the other end, the insurance company can't say, well, we didn't receive your claim. The doctor's going to put it in or whatever the case is. Once you're in the hospital, if you're too ill to look at it yourself, your family members could see, like, okay, well, hey, the claimant has been put in. They put him in the system as having the virus. We should expect to get paid by X amount by X date or whatever the case is. Great use for the blockchain and the technology behind blockchain, all right? The transparency behind blockchain. And that's pretty much it, man. I wanted to go over this story right here about two friends that started a mining business, which is now, they're claiming that it's the largest mining business in North America, but they're going through a lawsuit right now. Money and friendship, right? But the only thing that's really interesting about it is the fact that one of the parties, last month, CoinMint revisited the idea of selling hashing power. It turned to BitUda, a crypto-focused brokerage firm based in Jersey City, New Jersey, to arrange a financial contract with an unnamed counterparty for the purchase and sale of large blocks of physically delivered Bitcoin hash power. According to a January 27 press release, similar to commodity futures, the contracts allow mining firms to hedge against the risk of price drops while raising new financing in the short term. That's the only thing I was really interesting about the story is the fact that they could basically sell the hash power just like how farmers sell their soy futures or their pork futures and things of that nature. That's the only thing that was really interesting about this story, in my opinion. The whole thing was just about two guys who were childhood friends turned Bitcoin mining partners, and now one is suing the other, being more involved with the company because he feel like he's being kicked out or whatever the case is. But this right here, I think, is the most interesting part, that the company is able to sell futures, Bitcoin mining futures, to hedge against the Bitcoin price drop. But that's it, man. Thanks for watching. There's a short news day today. Nothing, really happening. Bitcoin is still up over 10K. Ethereum is up. XRP is up. Bitcoin Cash is up, and so is BSV. So yeah, the market's pretty much in the green. Smash up the like, hit that subscribe button, and let's discuss about the use case right here. This great use case for blockchain and insurance claims. It's your boy, Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.